Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the joy of healthy eating for every stage of life. For our littlest ones, we believe in starting with the best. Introducing a variety of nutritious fruits and vegetables early on lays the foundation for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. And as they grow, we're here to make healthy eating fun. From crunchy snacks to delicious meals, we've got tasty recipes that even the pickiest eaters will love. For expecting mothers, we understand the importance of nourishing your body and your growing baby. Our recipes are packed with essential nutrients to support a healthy pregnancy. And for adults of all ages, we're here to inspire you to fuel your body with the goodness it deserves. Whether you're a busy parent, a working professional, or enjoying your golden years, we've got recipes tailored to your needs. Join us on this journey to wellness and vitality. Subscribe to our channel for delicious recipes, helpful tips, and a whole lot of foodie fun. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Eat well, live well, only on Healthy and Healthy.